Hello and welcome to the video number 5 of the cryptography series. If you are somebody who is passionate about learning cybersecurity or related topics, or if you are preparing for some kind of cybersecurity certification, this is the best place for you. So do consider sharing and subscribing to this particular channel. Now, if you are new to me and you are new to this particular channel, my name is Manoj Sharma. I am a CISSP instructor, and that is where I teach a lot of cybersecurity concepts and make them super easy and digestible for all of you in the Desi Indian way. Like that is what is my specialty, right? Now, if you are somebody who is interested into cryptography, we have already covered 4 videos. In the first one, we started understanding the goal. In second one, we discussed about the terms. In the third one, we understood how a crypto system is considered as strong. What are those factors? In the fourth one, I gave you a complete insight into the history of cryptography. And now in this video, we are going to talk about concealment cipher. Concealment cipher, which may not look like a proper hardcode cipher, but these are alternate way to implement a cipher. They help you to conceal the data. How they can help conceal the data? For example, let's say I say today it's very hot out in Bangalore. Okay, and let's say we decide, okay, I'm going to send you this message, and every second character of each and every word is a key for you, is a ciphertext for you. So what I did, in normal language I am hiding a secret code. And what is that? Let's say today means O, T, E, then O, then U and N and A. That's become your what? It is your secret which you transmitted. If anybody don't know this particular entire science behind this, they will not be able to identify what is the key. It is very difficult to find out this particular type of, detect this kind of cipher as well. Until unless, if this particular sentence makes perfect sense, it is good. It is very difficult to identify. But if just to hide my text, I am creating some text which doesn't make the exact sense, then people may detect it. So that is one. Okay, so this is called as concealment cipher. There is another cipher which is called as null cipher. Oh, sorry, my bad. This is only called as null cipher, guys. I'm little carried away. Okay, so this is called as null cipher. Under concealment cipher, this is called as null cipher. The another cipher under the same category is called as what? It is called as you can say steganography. It is called as steganography. Now what happens in steganography? In steganography, there will be a media or a image, maybe a video, maybe an audio, whatever it is, and in that they are able to hide in, because the media is made of pixels, and they are able to leverage the least significant bit, and they are able to store some data here, A, B, C, D, E. And it's very difficult to detect these kind of images and media, because end of the day they are going least significant bit, so the picture quality also is not much impacted. The only way to find out is compare the original picture with the one you have and see their size. If there is a difference in the size, then you can understand, yes, this is hiding something. But in many cases you will not have the original picture with you, right? You don't have something to compare. So that is where we are making use of some sort of DLP techniques which can actually go deeper into this and identify these things. these kind of patterns. Okay guys, so this is something which we need to understand. Hey there, I hope you liked the entire video and this might have cleared a lot of your concept. If you really like it, please don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel and like and share with others as well, so that knowledge can spread, right? And with that said, this is just this is the entire series. Do not miss out watching other videos also. You might be getting those links. And with that said, I am going to see you in the next video.